Here we have problem mass on a pulley. We have M1 is given, M2 is given, and the acceleration downward is given. So basically we have to find the difference between mu s minus mu k. So that means first we have to find what is the mu s, and then what is the mu k, and then we can just subtract one from another. Now, first of all, we have to consider here two cases. One is the first just before it's moving, and then second case right after it's moving. Okay, so in the first case, let's first find the mu s. So for the mu s, we have to draw a free body diagram, right? So first of all, we have a tension. Then we have also tension here. Then the friction force will be against the motion. So let's just call it friction. Then we have the normal force, 1, that is equal to the m1g. Then here we have the weight of the second mass, m2g, and also they're all moving with an acceleration, right? Okay, so in the first case, the condition for the mu, to find the mu s, how can we find mu s? Since it's not moving, then we can say that tension, static friction is equal to the tension. Okay, so this is the first condition. Now, we also know that the static friction is equal to the mu s normal force, and normal force in our case is m1g. Okay, so what else? Then we have tension. We also know that the tension here is equal to the m2g, correct? So that means we can just divide one to another so that we can get 1 tension divided by tension gives you 1. That's 1 mu s m1g divided by m2g. So g will cancels. Then from here, mu s is equal to the m2 divided by the m1. Now, if you plug the numbers, m2 is equal in my case is 2.509 divided m1 was 5.13. So you can find basically, if you do calculation, then you should find it's equal to the 0.489. So far we found mu s. Now we have to find now mu k. In the case of mu k, now things starts accelerating. Okay, so now let me first write down the first equation for the first box, where we will have tension, whatever is right side. You have to make sure that you're defining direction properly, okay? Otherwise you will get the negative sign and you may get the wrong answer. So right side I said positive, tension minus kinetic friction, and is equal to the, is moving with acceleration, so it means m1a. Okay, this formula actually is taken by the Newton's second law, where sum of the forces is equal to the mass times acceleration. Okay, now if I set the second equation for the second box, m2, what do we have here? We have here tension minus m2g, and since acceleration is downward, so I will call it minus m2a. Okay, so from here accelerations are given, so you can put acceleration. First you can find what is the tension from there, and you can substitute it here. Then you can finally find what is the mu k from here. Once you find mu k, then you can just subtract from mu s minus mu k.